Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix problem your application just tags in ready to submit on your App Store Connect, and actually no one cannot just download that from TestFlight, so they cannot see that build. So first thing, just go to TestFlight and just check testers list from here and just check if you successfully add all of that people to this list. Also after, just try to check, maybe you just need, sometimes you see missing compilation on your App Store Connect, and you just need firstly to choose the options, like if you're using some cryptography there or not. So just choose that options, and after that build will be available, but without that options you won't be able to see that build. So just please check the things. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, download my applications, and have a nice day. Bye.